I am a Poo, and welcome guys at the 14th to show you how to make e-commerce website. Okay, letting the jokes aside from our works, and let's come back to work. Now I say that in this video we're gonna try to make the add product page, and so we are on the admin add product page. And our page is empty right now, so let's fill it out. I want you guys to open the admin add product. Okay, now we have here two break tags. Forget about that. I'm gonna put an H2. I'm gonna style that later on, and I'm gonna say add a new product to store. Now I'm gonna save that. Okay, now as you can see we have only the style, the main style here, but we need one more thing, and I think you guess what I'm talking about. And I think we have here the forms. Let me see. I don't know. I'm gonna go to main.css and see if we have here. No. Now I want you guys to come here in the admin login.php, and we have here the style. I want you guys to copy H2 label, text input, and button. So copy this, Control C, and close the page. Now I want you guys to create a new CSS document and paste here that. Okay. Now I want you guys to save this and save it in the admin folder in the style name forms like CSS. Now we can go here to admin add product, copy the link for the main style, paste it again, and instead of main we're gonna put forms. Now we have the forms. So put a break line and put a firm and a close firm. So okay, method is gonna be post. Action is gonna be equal to, I want to browse to make sure that I'm gonna not do any mistake. So admin add product PHP, and end type is gonna be multi-part form data blah 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 blah. I want to close this and this, and I want to open again admin because I want to see something. So oh yeah, we use table, so table we're gonna use here as well. I'm gonna let that open. So as you can see, we're gonna use a table with a width about 100 percent. Where is percent? Okay. Cell padding is gonna be 5, no 3 actually, and cell spacing is gonna be as well 3, and we have border 0. And close the table. Table row. Okay, back here to work. Now I'm absolutely in know that we haven't created the product table in our database. So we're gonna stop here. I'm gonna save. Now I want you guys to open, and I'm gonna open my PHP admin. I'm gonna log in. And I'm gonna go to JunkDB, which is my database right here, and I'm gonna insert new database. I'm gonna name that products, and let me think how many columns we need. We need 8. So if we need more, we're gonna add later on. First, as you know, it's gonna be ID. The next one is gonna be name. The next one is gonna be brand, and this, for example, can be, let's say we have a t-shirt and it's from Nike or Adidas or whatever you want. Or okay, the last one is gonna be date added, and this is the date where when we add this product right now. Probably gonna need a price to know what price. Need description, and this is very important. You may have a description about your product. Size. These are the size. You know, there are different sizes. Not all the people have the same, you know, weight and tall, or the same tall or something like that. And actually, I'm gonna put description, price, and available status. Okay. Now, first it's gonna be integer, and it's gonna be 7. I don't think you will have more than 9 million products in your store. But if yes, you can modify it here. Okay, so index is gonna be primary, auto increment, and okay, now we're done. Name is gonna be varchar, and maybe I think is can be maximum 100. I don't think can exist more than 100, but whatever. Be prepared for what is worse. So stop. Next is gonna be varchar and brand. I think the largest brand may have maximum 50. Okay, sizes. And I think I'm gonna put sizes as text, and I'm gonna explain why. It's gonna be very easy. Why? We're gonna use HTML to create code, and we're gonna have here HTML code. So when we're gonna have the size, you're gonna display them as a selection site. I'm gonna show you how, probably next videos. So description is gonna be text, and it's okay. Price is gonna be, and you probably most of you are gonna say, why you are putting varchar? Because you may have a price like something $5.99. Okay, so it's gonna be varchar, and I think you will not sell. You will have maximum. Let's put 5, and I think it's okay. Okay, status. This is gonna be enum, and it's gonna be 0 and 1. And as default, it's gonna be 1, which means 1 is for available, and if it exists in our stock, 0 is for the products that are no longer in our stock. Date added is gonna be, I'm gonna put date time, and help if date time. Okay, it's here. And if we need more, we're gonna add, so I'm gonna click save. I know you are gonna piss me out because I have the menu in Romania and not in English. I'm gonna make it in English next video, sorry. So I want to keep the tables here, no. Now let's come here to Dreamy where you will not. Okay, so something like this. I think I'm gonna copy this. Shall see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First is gonna be for name. So you're gonna have product name. Okay. Next one is gonna be text. It's gonna be product underscore name. It's gonna be maximum 100. Okay. product brand, and this is gonna be product brand. And if you want to make sure that your your people will not put an existing brand, you can make this with the selection instead of input right here. It's gonna be better, but I think it's okay as well. People are not stupid anymore in our days. No here, no here. So name, brand, size is gonna be text. Here it is. So see, now I have run. So sizes. Now we're gonna put here something. View line is equal to tab, because here we need a text area instead of, so text area. Okay, I'm gonna add this little styler here, so text area close. I'm gonna say here something like style is gonna be equal to, and I want to know the size from all 4. I'm gonna copy these two. I'm gonna go, no, here we can close the index source code right here. Okay, so it's gonna have a width about 150 pixels. I'm gonna have a weight about 80 pixels. I think it's okay. I'm gonna have a padding about 5 pixels, and resize gonna be none. And I think I'm gonna put those right here to enter in one single line, and it's okay. Next thing, size description. Actually, for description, delete here, and oh, I forgot here to put sizes, and copy the exact right here. So copy this right here, Control C, Control V, and description, product description. Okay. Next, description, price. So say here price, and actually it's label right here. It's an input. Sorry, copy this, put it right here. Yes, price, and here come and modify here to 50. I forgot. Sorry, don't kill me. And maximum here can be, let's say 10. Doesn't matter. And you can put here something like a $sign. And NEBCP. It's okay. Next. Status. No, actually we need one more thing. So status, don't need to add it. It's gonna be automatically. I want you guys to click, where is structure? Oh, we are here. Click structure in our table. For you must be structure, for me structura. Doesn't matter. And click add one more table after the price right here. Execute. And add something like quantity. wait a second. Okay, so it's gonna be quantity. I have all kind of Google Translate because I wasn't sure how it's typed. So this is gonna be short integer and it's gonna be 7. So save quantity. So let me explain the system, and so Control C, Control V, and we need one more. So let me copy this quantity. Actually, we can make it with small letter. So change quantity with small q. Save. Okay, it's gonna be quantity. Here quantity as well. And here's gonna be maximum 7. Okay, and one more thing. It's gonna be the button, and I have here, copy these 2 lines, copy those lines right here, Control C, Control V, boom, and instead of logins or add, say something like add product. Of course, we're gonna keep the error message here, may be used. So put it as comment right now. Okay, so let's discuss the quantity. Now let's say you buy new products for your online store. You can, and let's say you have 5 pants. You have to say that. And each time we buy something, a customer goes and buy your product, that quantity is gonna be minus the quantity that he buys. And when this quantity is gonna be equal to 0, the variable status is gonna be turned to 0 instead of 1. I think it's very easy to understand. Now let's go here and refresh and see how it looks like. We can actually make those a little bit bigger, doesn't matter. Okay, we can make them a little bigger. So what we can do is go here and say something like 300 pixels. It's gonna be okay. Here as well, we can put here, where? No, here, we can close here. Go back to source code and put here 300. And have a problem right here. Where we have problems on the price and the quantity. I don't know why. So the price and quantity right here, put view line, not to chop, just cut this in the price as well. Now Control C and we save that, and Control V, we refresh. I don't know why they are still piss me off. And the reason is I don't know. Let's say here 4 and here 4. I don't know. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna put here with about 150 pixels. I'm gonna refresh. I don't know why is here like that and not the line. Oh yeah, I can see, because we have here the price. So let me help you guys. On the quantity, we put here, we don't need this, sorry, and its price we can put right now. I'm gonna cut and put it on the back, save. You see? What? Okay. Wait, a long time. Still something that for the dollar sign after the NBC. Now it's better. Now for me it basically looks good. I don't know how it looks for you. For me it's okay. And actually instead of view line equals to top, doesn't look pretty cool. I'm gonna cut this out from description and size. Control C. Better. Now for me it looks pretty good. I don't know how it looks for you. Add product button right here. Doesn't matter, that's not the most important thing for our project. The most important thing has to work, you know. So there are already 21 minutes. So I think we're gonna get started, but I can't guarantee that I'm gonna finish this in less than 10 minutes. So if you set like post, it's gonna ask who post product name. Control C, Control V. Now let's declare the variable. Actually, we need the variable messenger declared already outside the PHP block. That if I can just copy this, and I'm gonna paste it right here, it's gonna be equal to nothing right now. So product name is gonna be equal to post, and we have it right here. So copy. Okay. So next thing is equal to product brand. So Control C, $, Control V, it's gonna be equal to post product brand. Next thing, sizes. Is gonna be equal to product. No, it's gonna be Control V, post product sizes. Description, Control C, $, Control V, equal to post Y. Post. Okay. Control V. Next thing, product. This was product description. Description. Product size. Product price. It's gonna be $, Control V, post. Control V. Quantity, Control C, is gonna be equal to $, post product quantity. Now I think we have all the variables, because the ID and the add date is gonna be equal to, there's gonna be in the database. So one more thing to do is come here in the main site directory and create a new folder. Oh, actually you have that folder, so sorry. So we don't need the folder. Actually I'm gonna click delete. Yes, because we have here the products. Now It takes so long to script the filters for these products. So here's the idea, guys. I gonna make now the query and entering all these data into the database, but the filters and the error messages, we're gonna do that later on so that you can have enough time to add products to your database. So let's include underscore once and backslash scripts, how we name connect.php, connect connect.php, and I make sure so we extend from the admins folder and we enter here, so it's okay. Now SQL is gonna be equal to MySQL underscore query. So remember that now we have no filter, so please do not upload this file until we put the filters, otherwise you can definitely lose all your site if you do something wrong. And I'm in here to SQL injection, so insert into product, and this is how we name right here, product values. Okay, now we come here and say something like name brand sizes description, price, quantity, description, price, and quantity. I want to copy to be sure that I'm not writing wrong. Okay, status, no, sorry, no, status, okay, and date added, Control C, Control V. We're gonna enter some values, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 1, 2. Actually, we're gonna enter that. Right. Okay. So first is gonna be product name. It's gonna be product name, and this is why it's good to use a drop reviewer. It makes your life more easier. Next is gonna be product brand. Next is gonna be product sizes, so $ product sizes. Next is gonna be description. Description. And where we have here, product description. Okay. Next, product price. Product price. Product quantity. Product status, no, it's gonna be as default in the database, sorry. So, and after here put now, which is the PHP function is correspond. So if anything is okay, let's say message error is gonna be success. Otherwise we're gonna get errors, but I hope definitely not. Refresh. Say my favorite. Actually I'm gonna say t-shirt. Nike. Size, let's say we have, and this is how I think about sizes, so I'm gonna say something like, oh, never mind, let's put size M, S, description, no description. Price is gonna be $10, which is pretty much quantity, because you have something like 1 plus success. Now if I refresh here, see, it works. It works. Now as you can see, we don't have the image for our product, so we're gonna do that in the next video, guys. So I'm sorry, but it's really hard to finish this video, to make all of this thing in one video. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.